Hi everyone. Today start now. The new article is Wine Bridge Oscillator. Okay, in a yesterday lecture you see, last lecture you see the phase shift oscillator. Okay, in that the shift the phase. ओके of a oscillator आउटपुटला काय केलं जातं त्याच्यामध्ये फेजेस शिफ्ट केली जाते. सो नाव टुडे स्टार्ट नाव दिस न्यू आर्टिकल इज अ वाइन ब्रिज ऑसिलेटर. ओके ड्यू टू इट्स simplicity and stability, one of the most commonly used audio frequency oscillator is the wine bridge oscillator. Okay, in that the simplicity and stability, one of the most commonly used, okay, mostly commonly used the audio frequency oscillator. Audio frequency ऑसोलेट किंवा ऑडिओ फ्रिक्वेन्सी आपल्याला घ्यायची असेल तर कुठला ऑसोलेटर यूज केला जातो तर मोस्टली और सिम्प्लिसिटी और स्टॅबिलिटी वन मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज द ऑसोलेटर इज द वाइन ब्रिज ऑसोलेटर. ओके, इन दॅट द फिगर बिलो शोज this oscillator wine bridge circuit is connected between the amplifier input terminals and the output terminals. Okay, in that the connection here shows, see the connection of the wine bridge oscillator here used the operational amplifier. Okay, operational amplifier in this circuit connected between the amplifier input terminals and the output टर्मिनल. ओके, ओपॅमच्या इनपुट आणि आउटपुट टर्मिनलमध्ये वाइन ब्रिज ऑसिलेटरचं सर्किट हे कनेक्ट केलेलं आहे. द ब्रिज हॅज अ सेरीज आर सी नेटवर्क in one arm and a parallel RC network in the adjoining the arms. Okay, in that the two networks in the series RC network and parallel RC network. Series means in that the resistor and capacitor is connected in a series form. These are the series RC network, and second network is the parallel network. That means in that the resistor and capacitor is connected in a parallelly. Okay, this circuit is called as a parallel RC network. Okay, in the adjacent arms of the operational amplifier, and these two different networks, series RC network and parallel RC network, is connected between the operational amplifiers input terminal and output terminals. Okay, so the remaining two arms of bridge are R1 and RF as shows. In that the two arms connected, in that the R1 resistor and RF resistor. R1 is the, I think here input resistor, RF is the feedback resistor. Okay, shows the figure, see the figure, wine bridge oscillator. Okay, in that the main part of this circuit is the operational amplifier. Okay, ओपॅमला काय केलेलं याच्यामध्ये बघा, in that connected in a inverting terminal is connected ground through the R1 input resistor, and RF is the feedback resistor. That means the output is connected to the inverting terminal of the operational amplifier through the feedback resistor. So here see the RF resistor. Okay, then the in that two networks connected in a non-inverting terminal. Okay, in that the series RC network and parallel RC network. Here see the R and C here connected in a series, sequentially connect केले. This connection is the series RC network, and here connected in a parallelly. एका समोर एक रेजिस्टर अँड कॅपॅसिटर कनेक्ट केलेलं, त्याला काय म्हटले, पॅरलल आर सी नेटवर्क. ओके, अँड दिस पॅरलल आर सी नेटवर्क इज कनेक्टेड इन अ नॉन इन्व्हर्टिंग टर्मिनल, and series RC network is connected in a feedback. That means the output is connected to the input, and output is here measure the phi 0. Okay, so feedback circuit here shows the dotted line is the feedback circuit. Okay, so this circuit is equal to here connected operational amplifier. In that non-inverting terminal is connected series and parallelly capacitor and resistor, as well as the inverting terminal input resistor R1. Okay, connected ground. Okay, then in that the non-inverting terminal connected, output is connected to the non-inverting terminal through the series resistor and capacitor, as well as the feedback resistor RF. Okay, connected to the inverting terminal. बोथ सर्किट्स आर इक्वल. दोन्हीचं कनेक्शन हे कसं आहे, सेम आहे. याच्यामध्ये फर्स्ट डायग्राममध्ये सेपरेटली ग्राउंड केलेलं आहे, आणि सेकंड डायग्राममध्ये काय केलेलं आहे, कॉमनली ग्राउंड केलेलं आहे. एवढाच डिफरन्स आहे याच्यामध्ये. ओके, दीज आर दी सिम्पल वाइन ब्रिज ऑसिलेटर कनेक्शन और सर्किट डायग्राम. ओके, इन दॅट the phase angle certain is a total phase shift around the circuit is 0 for the oscillation. In that the phase angle certain is total phase shift around the circuit is 0 for the oscillation. Here this occurs only when the bridge is balanced. When the bridge is balanced, bridge means the in this bridge bridge connection or bridge circuit, in that consists of the series RC network and parallelly RC network. Okay, त्यालाच ब्रिज असं म्हटलेलं आहे. दॅट इज ॲट 0 वन्स, दॅट इज ॲट दी व्हेन द ब्रिज इज बॅलन्स. ब्रिज हा कधी बॅलन्स झाला असं आपण समजणार आहे, तर दॅट इज द ॲट 0 once. Okay, the frequency of oscillation is f0. Frequency of the oscillation is the f0. Frequency means the 1/t. T means the time. Time is the on time plus off time. Okay, so here calculate the frequency of the oscillation is the f0. In that exactly the resonant frequency of the Wien bridge oscillator, exactly the resonant frequency of the Wien bridge oscillator, and it is given as the f0 is equal to 1/2 pi RC. Okay, in that the pi's value is the 0.13 and RC, R is the resistor, C is the capacitor. Okay, so calculate the value 1/2 pi. So here right now the 0.159 upon RC. These are the resonant frequency of the Wien bridge oscillator f0. Okay, so here the positive feedback is provided by the RC network. Positive feedback, that means the non-inverting terminal ला जे output connect केलेले non-inverting terminal input, that means the positive feedback is provided by the RC network. Negative feedback is applied to the amplifier via the RF and R1. पॉझिटिव्ह फीडबॅक हा कशाने प्रोव्हाइड केलेला किंवा कनेक्ट केला आहे, RC नेटवर्कने कनेक्ट केला आहे. आणि निगेटिव्ह फीडबॅक हा कशाने कनेक्ट केला आहे, तर वाया दी फीडबॅक रेजिस्टर RF अँड R1 रेजिस्टर इन ऑर्डर टू रिड्यूस द लूप गेन टू युनाइटी. In order to reduce the loop gain to unity, and so to ensure a sinusoidal output waveforms. So to ensure that the output goes to the sinusoidal type of the waveforms at the frequency f0, the gain required for obtain in a oscillation as gain is gives to the AV. AV is the voltage gain is equal to 1 upon beta. Okay, so is equal to 3. So right now the 1 plus RF upon R is equal to 3. That means the so here see the gain of the Wien bridge oscillator AV is equal to 1 upon beta. Okay, AV is the voltage gain, 1 upon beta is the beta time of the is equal to 3. So 1 plus RF upon R is equal to 3. So RF is equal to twice R1. Okay, so in that, in order to maintain a stable amplitude of the oscillations, in order to maintain the stable amplitude of the oscillations, a non-linear resistor normally used for the R1, and this makes the loop gain depend upon the amplitude of oscillation. Okay, for instant increase in amplitude causes increase in the current through the R1 resistor. Okay, increase in the amplitude causes the increase in the current through the R1 resistor, and results in an increase in the value of the resistor, R1 resistor. And increase in the R1 resistor means a greater amount of negative feedback and consequently reduced or reduction in loop gain and the signal amplitude. Okay, these are the Wien bridge oscillator, simple Wien bridge oscillator. Okay, here shows सिम्पल काय केलेलं आहे याच्यामध्ये ऑपरेशनल ॲम्प्लिफायर यूज केलं आहे अँड बिटवीन द इनपुट अँड आउटपुट टर्मिनलमध्ये ब्रिज हा कनेक्ट केला आहे. ब्रिज सर्किट म्हणजेच काय असेल तर त्याच्यामध्ये कनेक्टेड इन अ सिरीज आर सी नेटवर्क अँड पॅरलल आर सी नेटवर्क कनेक्ट केलेलं आहे. ओके अँड फ्रिक्वेन्सी कॅल्क्युलेट केलेली आहे. वाइन ब्रिज ऑसिलेटर्स फ्रिक्वेन्सी F0 इज इक्वल टू 1/2π RC. Okay, so here right now the pi's value and calculate the 1/2π is the 0.159 upon RC. These are the frequency of the oscillation Wien bridge oscillator. Okay, and in that the positive feedback is provide the RC network and negative feedback is appear to the amplifier via the RF and R1 resistor in order to in that the loop gain to unity, so reduce the loop gain is the unity and so ensures a sinusoidal output waveform. So output waveforms is gives in a sinusoidal types of the waveform. Okay, so and these frequencies of the gain require the instead the oscillation gain of the voltage gain is equal to 1/beta. So this voltage gain is the 3 and right now the 1 plus RF upon R is equal to 3. So here right now the RF is equal to twice R1. Okay, so these are the simple Wien bridge oscillator. I think this article is the got it all of you and this article is here completed. So I think stop here. Okay, thank you all of you.